What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and I'm here at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart, Germany, and today is the 140th birthday of Mercedes-Benz. And there's no better way to celebrate than the launch of a new S-Class. This is a really special place because on my first trip to Stuttgart about 3 years ago, we were dropped off here and got to learn all about the history from the first automobile to the racing heritage and the cars of today, going through the entire museum and really embracing the heritage of this amazing company. And with this particular launch, I also got to take part in a way that is truly a career highlight. Being in a video with Mercedes-Benz CEO Ola Källenius to be able to give you a world's first preview of the new S-Class leading up to today's global premiere. Over the years, we've got to learn so much about the Mercedes-Benz brand. Beginning with the concept EQXX at the Immendingen testing track, we got to see the future of electric cars and the technology within range. We also got to experience the Mercedes AVTR, which was a really cool concept in Los Angeles, drive the C63 SE Performance in a track in Malaga, Spain, visit the AMG engine manufacturing facility in Affalterbach, attend Formula 1 races with the Mercedes F1 team and get to experience it from the garage, which is the pinnacle of motorsport, to being able to ride a replica of the first automobile, which was just such an amazing experience, and it really takes us back in what we are celebrating today. And so in this video, we're going to be taking you through the launch event, showing you guys the new S-Class, talking about the features, and also sitting in the back and talking about the ride experience as well. The S-Class has always been the benchmark for luxury, and here at Mercedes-Benz Museum, we witness 140 years of automotive innovation. Safety, comfort, and elegant design embodies into what Mercedes calls the welcome home feeling.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the home of Mercedes-Benz.
The global premiere was nothing short of extraordinary. A full orchestra set the tone while defining generations of S-Class stood on display, each one marking a moment where the industry shifted forward. An appearance from Roger Federer embodied longevity and precision, and when Sam Smith took the stage, the atmosphere shifted, turning a world-class unveiling into a deeply emotional moment, connecting you to all the different eras that are meant to be appreciated and represented as to what brought us here today. As the most extensive update yet, the new S-Class carries forward the craftsmanship and technical leadership that define the Mercedes-Benz brand. From heritage to high performance, from legacy to the next benchmark, the S-Class has once again set the standard for the luxury sedan.
And today, the new S-Class is proof of that.
Hi, Ola.
Justin, good to see you. Welcome to Sindelfingen.
Should we have a look at the brand new S-Class model?
Absolutely, let's uncover this beauty. The S-Class has always been the pinnacle of automotive engineering, and when we do a new model, we really look at everything, and this is the biggest refresh that we have ever done in the history of the S-Class. But also, the whole grille has a new status-oriented prestige type of look, married with new headlights, precise and intelligent lights. We have redone also the back of the car with new lights there, but also on the inside, every trim part, everything has been refined. So this is taking sophisticated, understated luxury to the next level.
So now let's give you guys a look at the new S-Class and a full walkthrough of some of the beautiful design refinements in this new generation. This is a vehicle that has been designed in a lot of ways from the ground up. Over 50% of the parts have been redesigned or re-engineered, resulting in 27 individual components changed in this generation. It still has the same look that you know and love in the S-Class, and it really is a vehicle that sets the benchmark for luxury for Mercedes, not only as a brand, but also a representation of the latest and greatest technology in its own. So I'm back in the studio for a second, and before we move on, I want to give a huge thanks to Artlist for sponsoring this video. And recently, Artlist just released their AI toolkit for creators that is the most organized AI platform that gives all of the best tools in one place. It brings AI image, audio, video, and voiceover tools into one organized workspace, and it's meant to feel familiar to how you already work with AI with a clean interface, easy text and tool prompts, while giving you faster generation speeds and more powerful controls. In addition to that though, Artlist also launched their original model 1.0, which is their own model that is exclusively trained on Artlist's high quality images, and it delivers production ready outputs for real color science, depth, and dynamic range. An example of a demonstration that I've always wanted to do is put myself inside of a rare Mercedes museum car, which typically I'm not really going to be allowed to drive, and especially in more rugged scenarios. So let's use Artlist's AI toolkit to actually create something that makes it look like I'm in an SL300 Gullwing, driving along a rough terrain and pretending I'm back in the 1900s. They're also launching Artlist Studio, which will be the future of AI video production and designed for full creative control and intuitive decision making at every stage of the process. If you guys want to go ahead and get started, I'm going to leave a link down below and you can check out some of the Artlist AI suite plans, including AI Starter, if you're just wanting to explore and getting started with AI, the Professional plan, which is the ultimate plan for creators that gives you more power and better value, and there's also Artlist Max, which gives you access to all of the stock catalog in addition to the AI tools. Make sure you go ahead and check it out for yourself, and a huge thanks to Artlist for sponsoring this video. If you start with the front, you have the optional illuminated badge on the top here. And below that, you have a front grille that is 20% larger, also has some accents along the front, and also an illumination that travels around. And beyond that, if you take a look at the mini LED headlights in the front, it also features a star design. As you move throughout the vehicle, you're gonna see a bunch of cameras integrated as well, and this is the technology element. From the side, the bottom, and throughout the back, we learn a lot about the autonomous driving and safety features of this vehicle, as well as some next generation tech that actually detects different potholes, obstacles, and road bumps and sends it to the cloud to not only become smarter over time, but also preemptively adapt the suspension to ensure maximum rider comfort. As we make our way to the back, there's also a new headlight design that also represents the star pattern. You can see that throughout the entire front of the vehicle with the futuristic LED design that I personally find is a good combination when it's added subtly between different design areas of the vehicle. As this car drives down the road, these details are what really stand out and showcase that it is part of the next generation design identity of the Mercedes-Benz lineup. Of course, with any S-Class, customization is at the center of it. And having the opportunity to check out the manufacturer facility, from there I was able to see just the range of customizations that you can take your own S-Class to, with over 150 exterior paint option colors, as well as some new offerings in this next generation, as well as over 400 interior options. You can truly make this car your own and have it feel like home. I think what's so exciting about the car itself is not only being able to pick technological comfort as well as driving features, but also knowing that every single little detail in the vehicle was chosen by you. You're even able to take things as far as customized stitching and messaging in the pillow of the seats. So when it comes to the engine options, there are two different options, the M500 and the M580. This right here is the new 8-cylinder engine, and it represents power that gives you 530 horsepower. Over here, you have the 6-cylinder engine. These vehicles are also 48-volt mild hybrids, delivering incredible efficiency and power, as well as a 23 horsepower integrated starter generator that enables features such as coasting, boost, recuperation, and significant fuel savings. These two engine models offer a refined experience that is not only dynamic, comfortable, but powerful at the same time. One of the toughest decisions of the S-Class is deciding if you want to sit in the back or the front, because they both offer an amazing experience, whether it is driving and the comfort or being able to sit and relax in the back. The front is where a lot of the technology lies, from the MBUX hyperscreen for both the driver and the passenger, to the large display that is on the front here, the LEDs that are traveling around. When it comes to some of the other details, this is a new steering wheel with the rocker controls. You also have illuminated cup holders, dual 100-watt wireless chargers, and you also have this beautiful Burmester 4D surround sound system with the illuminations around it and these beautiful accent details. But of course, the 4D system means there's actually speakers in the seats as well to make you feel fully immersed, in addition to having the option to get a massage wherever you're sitting in the vehicle. From my experience with the previous generation S-Class to the EQS models, this really brings everything together in giving all of the amazing design details and aesthetics that I know and love out of the pinnacle of luxury from Mercedes-Benz. This is what it's like for the driver, but let's take you guys through my experience of going for a first ride in the new S-Class. Should we go for a short ride?
Absolutely. But let's pick the back seat then.
So it's always such a nice experience to be sitting in the back of the S-Class.
Well, if you want to make the world's best luxury sedan, it really starts with the basics, right? That the ride needs to be perfect. It needs to be smooth. You get the feeling of comfort that everything is just around you. You literally float above the ground. That's where it starts. But it's also incredibly, incredibly quiet, this car. And I don't know how many hours I've sat in the back of an S-Class. Literally, you feel more refreshed when you step out of it than when you step in. So if you drive over a bump here, the car sends that information to the cloud, shares it with the other cars. So if you would be riding behind me now in the S-Class, you get that, and the suspension adapts to it before you get to it. I mean, how crazy is that?
Just sitting here right now, it feels like we're still sitting on the couch at home.
I think home is a good word. We say, welcome home. You want to watch a movie? You could have video conferences in this car, or you maybe just want to sit back and relax and listen to the music. With the Dolby Atmos system here, this is a concert hall. I've seldom been in a space where you can enjoy music better than in the S-Class. So it's all of those things. And literally, it is your home, it is your living room, it is your office, but on wheels. This vehicle encapsulates all of the amazing innovations from the past and brings it into the future today, not only when it comes to rider comfort, luxury, technology, but also driver experience as well. It was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be able to stand next to a brand that I'm such a big fan of, but something that I had never imagined in my wildest dream is to have the opportunity to unveil the Mercedes-Benz S-Class preview to the world with none other than the CEO of Mercedes-Benz. And through technology, elegance, luxury, and my passion for interior design, the harmony between the home and your vehicle embodies everything that Mercedes is trying to achieve in this latest generation, in addition to cutting-edge technology of the future.